This video is Fast Retailing's fiscal year 2024 financial results, period from September 2023 to August 2024. Fast Retailing Co. Ltd. is a Japanese multinational retail holding company, best known as the parent company of Uniqlo, one of the largest global apparel retailers. It was founded in 1963 by Tadashi Yanai, who is still the company's CEO and a major shareholder. Fast Retailing is known for offering high-quality, functional, and affordable casual clothing, with a focus on simple designs and efficient production. In addition to Uniqlo, Fast Retailing owns other clothing brands, including GU, Theory, Helmut Lang, and J Brand. Fast Retailing is one of the largest fashion retailers globally, competing with companies like Inditex, Zara, and H&M. FY2024 financial results. Fast Retailing reported large increases in revenue and profit in fiscal year 2024 to achieve a record high performance. Consolidated revenue rose to 3.1 trillion yen, 12.2% increase year-on-year. Operating profit expanded to 500.9 billion yen, 31.4% increase, and profit attributable to owners of the parent increased to 371.9 billion yen, 25.6% increase. These results outstripped the latest business estimates announced in July, thanks to strong performances from both Uniqlo Japan and Uniqlo International. FY 2024 highlights. Consolidated revenue topped 3 trillion yen, and consolidated operating profit topped 500 billion yen in fiscal year 2024 for the first time. Rising Uniqlo brand awareness across the globe helped fuel an extremely strong performance, thanks to broader local customer bases and additional tourist-driven demand in each market. Traditional profit-generating patterns have always been stronger in the first half of the fiscal year and weaker in the second half of the business year. Second-half sales was boosted by expanding spring-summer mainstay products, strategically holding inventory of strong-selling items right through until the end of the season, and keeping customers continuously informed on product-related news. Operating profit. Consolidated revenue increased by 337.2 billion yen year-on-year to 3.1 trillion yen in fiscal year 2024. Thanks primarily to an expansion in revenue of Uniqlo International and Uniqlo Japan. Full-year consolidated gross profit margin increased by 2 points to 53.9% on the back of a higher margin at Uniqlo Japan. Operating profit increased by a considerable 31.4% year-on-year to 500.9 billion yen in fiscal year 2024. And the operating profit margin improved by an impressive 2.3 points to 16.1%. FY 2024 profit. Net finance income came in at 56.2 billion yen in fiscal year 2024, comprised mainly of 55.6 billion yen in net interest income and expenses. As a result, profits increased sharply, with profit before income taxes rising to 557.2 billion yen, 27.2% increase, and profit attributable to owners of the parent expanding to 371.9 billion yen, 25.6% increase in the 12 months to August 31st, 2024. Segments. Fast Retailing operates across several segments, largely defined by its different brands and geographic regions. Uniqlo Japan. This is Fast Retailing's large and profitable segment, focusing on operations within Japan. Uniqlo is known for its affordable, high-quality basics, such as heat tech, airism, and other functional fabrics. Uniqlo International. This segment is the largest and most profitable segment. This segment covers Uniqlo's overseas operations in regions: Greater China, Southeast Asia and Oceania, North America, and Europe. Uniqlo's international expansion is a key growth driver for Fast Retailing. GU is a fast fashion brand offering trendier and even more affordable options than Uniqlo. It operates primarily in Japan but has started expanding internationally. Global brands. This segment encompasses several premium or specialized fashion brands owned by fast retailing. Theory, Helmut Lang, Comptoir des Cotonniers, and etc. Other operations. While relatively small, fast retailing also has other activities, such as logistics and manufacturing, which support its core retail operations. The key drivers of growth for the company are Uniqlo and GU, with Japan's market being more mature but still stable, and international is growing. Most of operating profits come from Uniqlo business. 33% of total operating profit is from Uniqlo Japan, and 60% is from Uniqlo International. Uniqlo Japan FY 2024 Performance. Uniqlo Japan segment generated higher revenue and large increase in profit in fiscal year 2024. This segment reported a rise in revenue to 932.2 billion yen, 4.7% increase year-on-year, and a sharp increase in operating profit to 155.8 billion yen, 32.2% increase. This represents a new record performance for Uniqlo Japan, which was underpinned by strong sales in the second half of the business year and a significant improvement in the gross profit margin. Uniqlo Japan same-store sales increased year-on-year on the back of persistently hot weather, the strategic holding of stock of core summer items through the very end of the season, and stronger marketing. Rising Uniqlo brand recognition worldwide also resulted in strong demand from overseas visitors to Japan. Uniqlo International FY 2024 Overview. Uniqlo International reported a record performance for the year on the back of large increases in both revenue and profit, with revenue rising by 19.1% to 1.7 trillion yen, and operating profit increasing by 24.9% to 283.4 billion yen. The operating profit margin improved by 0.8 point to 16.6%. Overall performance outstripped most recent full-year estimates announced in July. Uniqlo International continued to achieve strong results thanks to especially sharp revenue and profit gains from Europe, North America, and the Southeast Asia, India, and Australia region, and expanding customer support for lifewear around the world. Uniqlo International revenue, profit figures by region. All markets achieved operating profit margins of 15% or higher, with significant improvements in those margins in North America and Europe. Uniqlo International FY 2024 by region. The Greater China region reported higher revenue and a slight rise in profit in fiscal year 2024, with revenue totaling 677 billion yen, 9.2% increase year-on-year, and operating profit coming in at 104.8 billion yen, 0.5% increase. On local currency basis, sales increased but profits decreased in mainland China and Hong Kong. The first half sales was strong, but sales struggled in the second half due to decline in consumer confidence, bad weather, and insufficient products to meet local needs, resulting in lower sales and profits. Taiwan saw higher sales and profits. Southeast Asia, India, and Australia operations reported large rises in revenue and profit. Full-year same-store sales rose year-on-year. Revenue rose by 20.2% year-on-year to 540.5 billion yen, and operating profit expanded by 24.8% to 97.6 billion yen. The United States and Canada performed well with both operations reporting large revenue and profit gains. Revenue increased by 32.8% to 217.7 billion yen, and operating profit expanded by 65.1% to 34.8 billion yen. In the United States, same-store sales expanded considerably on the determined communication of product-related news to customers, which buoyed sales of bra tops, linen shirts, wide pants, and other items. Finally, Uniqlo Europe reported large increases in revenue and profit in fiscal year 2024, with revenue expanding by 44.5% to 276.5 billion yen and operating profit expanding by 70.1% to 46.5 billion yen. Sales at new stores in Europe proved extremely strong, and the operation also generated double-digit growth in same-store sales. Sales at global flagship and other stores proved extremely strong, not just thanks to expanding local customer bases, but also to buoyant demand from tourists visiting from different parts of the world, as Uniqlo brand visibility increases worldwide. GU FY2024 performance. GU Business Segment reported higher revenue and a significant increase in profit in fiscal year 2024, with revenue rising by 8.1% year-on-year to 319.1 billion yen and operating profit expanding by 28.9% to 33.7 billion yen. Same-store sales increased on strong sales of heavyweight sweatshirts, sweat-look t-shirt, barrel-leg jeans, and several other items that incorporated global mass fashion trends. Strong demand from overseas visitors also boosted sales. First, GU international flagship and online stores in U.S. In terms of significant GU developments during the year, on September 19th, the brand's first flagship store, GU NY Soho, was opened, together with an online store in the United States. Joint efforts with Uniqlo in the United States to actively convey product-related information in stores and on social media helped attract customers. The store has gotten off to a really good start, with sales exceeding expectations since the opening. Fiscal year 2025. Estimate. Fast Retailing predicts they will achieve record high levels of both sales and profits in fiscal year 2025. Estimates for fiscal year 2025 include full-year consolidated revenue of 3.4 trillion yen, 9.5% increase year-on-year. Consolidated business profit of 530 billion yen, 9.2% increase, and consolidated operating profit of 530 billion yen, 5.8% increase. 3.5% year-on-year increase in profit attributable to owners of the parent in fiscal 2025 to 385 billion yen. For fiscal year 2025, Uniqlo Japan is expected to see slight increases in sales and profits. Uniqlo International is expected to see large increases in sales and profits. And GU and global brands are expected to see increases in sales and profits, with the company predicting continued business expansion globally. The number of stores will reach 3,698 in total, with 797 Uniqlo Japan stores, 1,778 Uniqlo International stores, 489 GU stores, and 634 global brand stores. Dividends. As announced in July, fiscal year 2024 year-end dividend of 225 per share will be paid. This would result in an annual dividend for fiscal year 2024 of 400 yen per share, an increase of 110 yen increase over the fiscal year 2023 dividend. In fiscal year 2025, the annual dividend will be increased by 50 yen to 450 yen per share, to be split evenly between interim and year-end dividends of 225 yen each. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen-based chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 53,570 yen as of October 18th, and the US dollar stock price is $35.99 as of October 18th. Current PBR is 8.15 and PER is 42.6. Dividend yield is 0.84%. Compared to the last few years, PBR and PER are much higher, which means stock price is relatively more expensive. But dividend yield ratio is about the same since stock price has been rising, but also the dividend amount increased. Conclusion. After recovery from the recession of COVID-19, Revenue and profits have been increasing and reaching fresh high records every year. Uniqlo and GU sales are strong and steady, and we can expect further growth in the future. Fast retailing has been successful in expanding globally and plans to continue expanding online sales and opening new stores worldwide. Although the decline in overseas earnings due to foreign exchange rate is a concern, we can expect growth of Uniqlo and GU business to increase revenues.